I'm Brian McGee. I am a programmer, developer, currently working in virtual reality. I've been a game developer, a teacher for game development, and a developer for e-learning. The interest-free loan for 10 years made it pretty much a no-brainer. It meant that I didn't just have to come up with the money somehow, all in advance on my own, and then recoup it over the next decade. The rate at which I'm recouping is almost equal to what my payments are, so it's a very good deal for anyone. I'd say our savings are going to be about equal to our payments. Generally speaking, we expect it to be a balance. So over this 10 years, the amount we save each month should be equal to the amount we're paying on our loan. Our power bills are never going to get lower. At no point is our power company is going to come up and say, hey, we decided to give everyone a 30% discount now. It's just not going to happen. And any piece that you can produce yourself is a piece you don't have to pay for directly to those companies. And after 8.5 to 10 years was my calculation, the panels will be paying for themselves. Yeah, I have friends who enjoy green energy, the culture of it. So water-based energy, sun-based energy, wind-based energy, and their interests sort of pulled me into it. And for over a decade, I've been considering when's the right time to make the move to go solar. You're listed on the NB Power website as one of the companies. I contacted a couple of the companies to see about hearing back and getting an estimate. And Solar was actually the first one to reply. The physical installation process itself went relatively quickly and smoothly. The team showed up, but 2 days after all the equipment was delivered, they worked a long, hard day for people who had to still drive an hour and a half to get back home afterwards. Compared to the same time last year, our bills are lower, even with the power hikes, and the fact that we put a heater in our pool this year. Yeah, we just missed a federal rebate. That program had just come off like weeks before we signed our contract. So we missed out on that, but Zolar gave us a small discount in its place, which was really generous, actually. Do a full analysis, make sure what you can get, and make the investment. Every day you wait is a dollar you've lost. As our power bills continue to rise, I'm still generating that same percentage of my power with the panels. So it'll be a greater savings for the same amount of generation. So my panels will be definitely getting more valuable as time goes on. And I've got 25 years before they really degrade to any extent. So I'm looking forward to having that power funnel in nicely.